Hi, this is Tom Barnhart. I'm the CEO of Wolf Summit, and this is a 2-minute video update about our newest event coming up of Wolf Summit, and that is the European AI Awards. Really excited about this new event that is layered on top of our existing Wolf Summit set for 29-30 October in Vienna. So the European AI Awards is a unique concept that has not been done, we think, anywhere else in Europe. And what we are doing is adding an awards event to feature and to distinguish the leaders in the European AI ecosystem. We've got 7 awards categories, 24 awards categories, and 7 groups. And those groups are applications, leaders, the companies, the money men, the academics, the advisors and vendors, and the media. So we've got 7 different, let's say, batches of groups for the 24 nominations. And we hope that you'll look at our website, wolfsummit.com, and submit your nomination. The deadline is 27 June to get your nominations in. It's free to submit your nomination. The application should be done on the website directly, and looking forward to seeing what applications come in. We're expecting about 100 nominations to come in before 27 June. And for those of you who do hit the deadline by 20th of June, we will be doing individual one-on-one interviews with you guys for those of you who have put in early nominations before the deadline. So welcome to the European AI Awards set for 29-30 October in Vienna. Get your nomination in if you're in that space, and look forward to seeing you very soon. Thanks.